In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Canva website after it has been published. You may have completed a project only to realize you need to make a few tweaks after it's already online. No worries, this is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, let's get started by opening Canva on your favorite web browser. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page. In the search bar at the top, type in Canva websites and press enter. This will show you a collection of website designs, including those you've already created. Now, to locate your published website, look towards the sidebar and click on Projects. Under this section, you'll find all your work in progress, including designs you've worked on recently. Once you've opened your previously completed website project, take a moment to refamiliarize yourself with the layout and content. This will help establish a clear idea of what changes you want to make. To enter editing mode, simply click on the project, and you'll be taken into the Canva editor. It's designed to be user-friendly, so if you need to change any text, just click on the text box and start typing your updates. If you wish to modify images, you can select the picture, tap Replace, and choose from Canva's extensive library or upload your own image by clicking Uploads on the left side of the screen. If there are any elements you want to add, whether it's shapes, icons, or additional text, just make use of the tools on the sidebar. Drag and drop elements onto your design to customize the site further. Feeling bold? Experiment with colors and fonts using the toolbar options at the top. Always remember, though, while trying new things is great, consistency in design will ensure your website remains professional and cohesive. After you've arranged everything to your satisfaction, it's critical to preview your updates before making them live again. To do this, click on the Preview button in the top right corner. Have a thorough look at different sections and make sure everything appears as you expected it to. Once you're happy with the new updates, it's time to republish your site. Click on the Share button at the top and select Website. Review the sharing options to confirm the settings are still correct, then click Open Website to see it live or copy the link if you need to share it with others. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to editing your published Canva website. Remember to save your work frequently while editing, and always preview before republishing. With a bit of practice, making changes will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful Canva tips.